So let's get started with the very usual, the standard way of learning any object. So once you have practiced this, now again you can go back, practice those circles, and now we will go with the basic shapes. If I am able to draw triangle, yes. A square, yes. It's fine if you are not able to make one without lifting your hand. It's fine if you are thinking that within a week you are not able to make straight lines. Don't worry, go for the scale. Yeah, the best thing you can do, go for the scale. Nobody's going to judge you if you are going to make a using scale. There are professionals who are using scales. It doesn't matter, use it. It doesn't matter. So I've made it. So how to make this into a solid shape? Now think if this is a cylindrical triangle. I forgot the what do we call it? What I used to call something, cone. Oh yeah, cone. Think if this is a cone and this is a cube. So let's think about how to make it. So before starting everything, think as if there is a light happening over here, which is going to fall over here, right? Now what happens when I see from the top view or in an isometric way? Yes, that's it. What happens is the lines never actually define everything. If you have seen a silhouette, if you have seen some, if you switch off your lights right now, wherever you're sitting, and then if it's a dark, still you are able to see something. That's what I'm saying. Lines don't define actually anything. Even if you're really good at it, you will understand the shadow and the light actually makes everything. It's not the line. The line is actually getting created with our illusion. It's something that's called shadow and light. You have to understand shadow and light to get to into the presentation of your industrial design. I'll make it again. One. Okay. So that's the part where every shadow will go, every light is going to be. So this is the part where the shadow is going to fall. So let's make it darker. People use piece of paper to merge it. I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's not necessary, smudging is not that important. I will tell you there is one more technique to go for it, but I will never ever judge you if you don't use it, because people do judge. I don't know, I've seen a lot of artists don't like what I'm going to teach you right now. So I used to do this. Yeah, that's it. You're done. And these are the lines that I am not supposed to make, so I'll take an eraser. Just remove that. It should look like there is something. So the shadow will also fall from the top. So there will be a line appearing on the other side. So now there will be a shadow for this own cone. So let's think if it's falling over here, it will be something like this, right? And let's blacken this out. It's fine, don't think much about shadow, you're done with it. Okay, that's it. Then there is a circle, we will call it a sphere. Okay, it's not really good, which I am driven. Forgive me, I'm not an industrial designer right now, so I can do these mistakes. For this, you will have to buy a pencil, which I'm not using. You're about to buy something like this. This is really a worst thing which I'm right now presenting. No, not the type of sketching. I'm showing you the worst material I'm using. I'm going to show you how to use it. So if you see the nib, you have to use the entire nib over here from where it starts, exactly like Apple Pencil, even the entire nib. When you keep it on the paper, you are actually using entirely. So just like that. When you use it, it will show something like this, and you keep making circles within. So that's how the technique is. You don't have to, I mean, make lines over here. You don't smudge it. You keep doing this. You keep doing this. Keep doing this. I made a mistake over here. You don't do it. Keep doing it. Make it make it though. So this was better than keep doing it. Yeah, that's it. There are some people who will do directly. So I don't believe in much of technicality actually. It's fine. Don't waste your time in understanding the technicalities and then it's not important. It's really not important. It takes a lot of time to master the skills, and I would say not to focus on mastering skills, rather focus on how to design, how to come up with a solution. So your concept is very very important rather sketching skills. Now I don't know how will it work for a person who has never drawn before, but it will take maybe it will take a time. So go and practice. That's the only thing you can do. Do it for half an hour, which I have told you already. And that's enough. And if you want to improve, practice more in a day. You can make it one day, 1 hour or two couple. That's fine. So that's my tip to how to start with sketching. And I'm done over here.